Welcome to A Square Web Solutions Virtual Class by Virtual Assistant. Top 15 Search Engine Optimization Techniques I Forget to Do. Search engine optimization is a very hot topic on the World Wide Web, but not hotter than the rising temperature. After all, everybody wants to rank higher and come up on the first page of Google search and get more traffic. Sometimes it is easy to get carried away with SEO though. In my opinion, the best technique is to keep it simple and apply a bit of common sense, as it is found in everyone's head. Most SEO plugins will take care of the common architecture-related stuff for you. So in this article I will only focus on techniques that you need to do yourself, so it's not that bit boring, or be aware of. I have identified and made a list of top 15 SEO practices that I tend to forget quite often. These simple SEO techniques, if practiced properly, can make a significant difference as to how my pages are ranked in the search engine queries. 1. Use proper anchor text for interlinks. Don't use here, there, etc. for the anchor text if you can avoid it. 2. Optimize the images. Always create alt tags and write description in the alt tag. 3. Use search engine friendly permalinks. Try not to have too many and etc. characters in the URL. Sometimes it is unavoidable, but try to keep it to a minimum.
Honey, what are you doing? I am waiting for you for about 2 hours. Why? You just keep me waiting for so long.
Nothing, just working on SEO.
What about me?
Just give me few minutes, baby.
Weren't these hours enough?
Okay. Sorry, give me 5 minutes.
Okay. Fine. Last time.
Thank God. Sorry, guys for this interruption. Let's back to where we left. We were on the 4th point. 4. Use hyphens, dash, between words to improve readability. 5. Do not use underscores in URLs. Use hyphens, dash, instead. 6. Do not use sessioned in URLs. If you are using good hosting, then you shouldn't have to worry about this one. 7. Avoid using capital letters in URLs. Windows servers are case sensitive. Keep them lowercase so there's no confusion. 8. Use internal linking when possible and appropriate. 9. Use sticky posts if you can and if it applies to you. 10. Have a category description paragraph. 11. Let the visitors subscribe to category-specific RSS feed. 12. Use rel equals not fallout tag on low-value links to not pass the page rank juice. For example, read the rest of the entry about contact, etc.
13. Use subdirectories rather than subdomains when possible. Subdomains do not share link love from the main domain, as it is treated as a different domain. 14. Research the target audience and aim the site content appropriately. May my boyfriend have not bored you? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and like for more interesting and knowledgeable videos. Have a great day. Regards, Allison and Robert, Virtual Assistant, A Square Web Solution.